Boy, that escalated quickly. I mean, that really got out of hand fast.
A 1.5-year-old grandson who had a cold who likes to kiss his pop.
TMI? Too much information.
Hello, everyone. Let me start by apologizing for the slight cold I have. Excuse me, I have a little cold. Excuse me for the cold. Excuse me. Excuse me, I have a bit of a cold. Excuse me for my cold. Excuse me, I have
Ah, well, that is where you are wrong, my friend.
a little bit of a cold. A little bit of a cold. Excuse me, I have a little bit of a cold. But it's just a cold. I beg your pardon.
He's a clown, honestly.
What a poet you are.
I swallowed wrong. I swallowed wrong. Excuse me, I got a little frog in my throat.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Really?
Excuse me for I have a frog in my throat here. Excuse, I have an allergy. Excuse me, I have a little hoarse. Excuse me, I have a little hoarse.
Okay, it is weird.
Well, we're waiting.